You'll be amazed at how many times this kind of question pops up in the exams, so it's well worth practicing this again and again and again until it's really easy. Okay, so we've got to try and isolate the x. We've got to try and get 1x is equal to this other stuff. Okay, so the most obvious thing to get rid of first is this massive square root symbol. So if we square both sides, that undoes the square rooting, doesn't it? So y squared is going to equal x plus 1 over x minus 4. Now clearly we don't want a fraction, so how are we going to get rid of this denominator? Well, if we multiply both sides by x minus 4, we're going to kill off that denominator, aren't we? So if I times one side by x minus 5, I must times both sides, and that's already looking a lot healthier, isn't it? If I expand that bracket, I can write down that, can't I? Now I've got x's on both sides, that's no good. I'm going to try and get my x's onto one side. So I'm going to take away x. I'm going to try and get rid of this 4y squared as well. That's on the x side. So if I add 4y squared to both sides, I can say xy squared is equal to x plus 1 plus 4y squared. And now I don't want the x on the right hand side, I want it on the left hand side, so I'm going to take that one away. If I take it away from the right hand side, I must take it away from the left hand side. So I'm going to do that. So I've got xy squared, take away x is equal to 1 plus 4y squared, or 4y squared plus 1, same thing. Now I can factorise out the x. Okay, and I can see now I'm nearly home. So if I divide both sides by that y squared minus 1, I'm left with x and only 1x on the left hand side and everything else that's not x on the right hand side, and I've finished. Okay, so if you end this question and you've got x's on both sides, you're wrong. Okay, you need to have x by itself on one side only. Right, so have a good look at that, and it says that quite a few people got this right, so this is definitely something you can practice to death until it's second nature, okay, because it's easy marks, it really is. Right, so let's have a look at the mark scheme, just check we've got that one right. Here it comes. Yes, we did. Right. 3 method marks, so 3 things to mark plus an accuracy mark.